Hi all, so today we're unboxing the Bosch Easymower cordless lawnmower. 18 volt, comes with a battery. Chose this as Steph has an allotment, and down the allotment we've got a water pump and a cordless strimmer. So we thought we'd choose this one because the batteries are all used on everything else. So we'll get this unboxed. So welcome back to Paul and Steph Reviews and now Sales. Let's get this unboxed and show you it working. Okay, I'm going to stay behind the camera on this one because Steph and I will start bickering because she knows more than me. So I'm going to leave her to set this up while I keep an eye on what's going on. So it's up to you then, babe.
Right, get the idiot guide out. Put all the bits on the floor so I know what's what. Oh, there's two little screws in there. I better keep them in there.
They're probably the.
Yeah.
They'll be for the handle.
Right. There's one. I'm trying to look for the bit where you set it up. Oh, here we go. Alright, let's find page 1.
All right, well, now Steph's put this together, what we'll do is we're gonna wait for the battery to get charged and we'll go and give it a test. So we'll catch up soon.
Yeah.
Okay, so to adjust the height for the wheels, you turn the lawnmower upside down. You've got a bar here. There's 3 height levels on this, on all 4 wheels. One thing it does say, you need to have all 4 wheels the same height. So what you do is, you get the bar, you push it forward, slots into the groove, and the same again to go down. I say it is pretty stiff, but then it's a new unit, so the springs are quite new, but I imagine in time it will loosen up a bit. So yeah, so 3 heights, all 4 wheels have to be the same height. Pull the bar out, slot it into the groove.
Okay, so I'm down the allotment. It's all folded up nice and compact so I can get it into the car. So now I'm just going to put the handle back up, click it into place and tighten it back up with the little screw bits there. Alright, so that's all nice and tight. Not quite tight. My tight is loose. Alright, put the box on because you can't use it without the box. So just lift up the little bit at the back and then hook it on like that. So that's all nice and secure. The battery goes in the front here. It's all fully charged now. Didn't take long. Slot the battery into position. Alright. If I can see what I'm doing. Alright, that's all nice and neat in there. Don't know what the 1 and 0 is. Do I have to turn that on? Maybe I've got to turn that on. Turn the button on to on. Press the button in here. And off we go. Okay, so I'm going to give it a go. Quite quiet. Oh, it seems to be doing the job. Bearing in mind it's very bumpy down here. So I've been up and down one of my paths of my plot. At the moment I'm very impressed with it. It took me seconds basically, where normally with my strimmer it takes me quite a while, and it's back breaking with the strimmer all the way, trying to make it all nice and neat and flat. As you can see by the video, when I got to the end it was very light to pick up and turn around, so it'll suit most people. Don't know how long the battery will last, but it is a big heavy duty battery, so hopefully it will last the whole while I'm down the allotment. But at the moment I'm well impressed with it. Okay, so let's have a quick look to see how much grass it actually picked up on that one stretch, and it's actually quite full. That's quite a lot of grass there down for one little strip, which is more than what I would normally get with the strimmer. So well impressed. So I've hoped you've enjoyed watching Paul and Steph reviews and watching the video, and hope to catch up with you again soon.